So please type to your Viber, SMS, WhatsApp, and Facebook Messenger. Regardless of how you send out your dear messages to your parents. Mama and Papa, yes, with exclamation mark. I did it. Ayan, type. Sige, type niyo pa. And pass the board exam.
Mamaya na sa bahay.
I love you. Ayan. Mama and Papa, yes, with a big shout out of exclamation mark. I did it and passed the board exam. I love you. Send this profound message to your parents, please. So to our dearest parents, kung gusto nyong patulugin ang cellphone nyo with the ring, okay lang. Because this is your time, this is your total happiness na pumasa ang mga anak nyo, your sons and daughters, pumasa sa ECE licensure exam. After 5 years and 10 years, to our dear oath takers, revisit this message and use this as your constant inspiration to learn, to grow, and to love not only yourself, your family, but also our profession. To our dear oath takers, this event will unfold the next chapter of your life's journey, your professional journey, as you have just turned your dreams into reality. There will be a lot of challenges along the way, but for sure, you will be able to surpass them and learn from them. Today is just the beginning. It's the beginning of your most exciting journey. Bakit? Kailangan nyo lang maghanap ng trabaho. And also an endless possibilities that awaits you. To the proud family, parents, special people surrounding you, this will be the people who will be your support system. To our dear oath takers, you will achieve greater heights in your future endeavor, and together you will create a wonderful journey. In closing, I would like to leave this powerful quote: live and work by good example. Again, live and work by good example. So you will create your unforgettable engineering legacy of the future. And so, our warm welcome to everyone in this April 2025 ECE oath-taking ceremony. Sit back and relax and capture this amazing moment and turn it into an unforgettable memory. My heartfelt congratulations to everyone. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Engineer Tan.